Coles County, southern Moultrie County, Shelby County, northwestern Sterling County, northwestern Enact, Lincoln. It was mostly sunny. A severe thunderstorm was located near Cowden, 47 miles south of Shelbyville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near. Winds are around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Allenville and Mattoon. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 172 and 187.